Hello, Daily D team. Want to give you a quick update. So we've got some projects here. This is just random data, so don't mind the actual projects. In fact, one is like really weird, sexy eyeballs, kind of strange. Anyways, I'm going to click this project, and I see here magnetic is in the description. So let's just say I'm on the home page. I'm like, you know what? I want to search for all things magnetic. So I type that in, hit enter, and I have debugger turned on, so let me hit continue. And you'll see, boom, that works. Project search shows up. This is magnetic. That is awesome. So let me show you how I did that. Fairly simple stuff going on here. We've got in the header, there's a form tag with search projects path. Search projects path is just a very simple URL that right here just goes to search projects. Very simple stuff. In search projects is looking for a query. So let me show you how it gets that query. Fairly simple. There's an input tag here with some CSS stuff and name query. So when I type in a query and I hit enter, the reason why enter works on this input is because it's in a form. So that's going to send you to the search projects path. We come here and we see it parses this query as percentage sign, whatever you typed in, percentage sign. So as of right now, this may not work with 2 or 3 or 4 words, so we need to kind of change that. But with 1 word, it works really well. Basically, it's going to search for anything that contains what you search for, with the beginning and the after being anything else. So actually, I just realized that as I'm telling you. So basically, I can just parse out the spaces if there's more than 1 word and just do that. But for now, just for sake of showing you what's going on here, we got project.where, name is like this, descriptions like that, short descriptions like this, and we're just passing in exactly what we've got. So very simple implementation. And something that's also really cool, which is new, is this. This is really cool. So categories. Before, categories would show all the categories that we have on our database. But what if there's categories there that don't have any projects? We don't necessarily want to show that. So this is doing an inner join on categories and projects. So this is going to show just categories that have projects, and more specifically, it's only going to show categories that have projects where project's ID equals all of the IDs in this project's variable. And then it's even going to go a little bit further than that and get only distinct values. So this is only going to show the categories that are associated with these projects. Super cool. So as you saw, works very nicely. And in fact, you can see here there's only 3 categories. So that's kind of nice. You know, we might change this because now that I'm thinking about it, can't click a category for a different project. Anyways, I just want to show you guys the search feature and also the categories, and boom, there you go.